Hi guys, welcome to Modern Art School. In this video, we will learn about the basic drawing skill for preschool going kids. I am Vidushi, your favorite art teacher for the class. So let's get started. In our previous video, we talked about lines. Horizontal lines, vertical lines, curved lines. So now we are at shape. If you want to create any object, we first have to learn about the shapes. There are many kinds of shapes. There are four basic kinds of shapes: a square, a triangle, a rectangle, and a circle. So if we see them more correctly, we can see many lines. The lines, straight lines. And to create a circle, there are curved lines. So with lines, we created the shapes. So this is our square. This is triangle. This is rectangle. And this is circle. Now circles are of many types. They can be like this, they can be like this. These are oval, ellipse, and many types of. They are all created with lines. So if we see with four lines, we can create a square. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With 3 lines, we can create a triangle. Also with 4 lines, we can create a rectangle. There are more complex shapes. Complex shapes like hexagons. So hexagons are basically with 5 lines. 6 lines. With shapes, we can create any easier things like this. With a triangle, a square, we can create a house. With lines and a rectangle, it becomes a door. 2 squares for windows. So now we can see with triangle, square, rectangular, and line, we can create a house. So with shapes, we can create any object. That's all for today, guys. And in our next videos, we will learn about how to draw things with shapes. Thanks for watching.